how important is to have an alternate income or a stable earning to meet the necessities to become a successful trader?
Some of the traders that have reached out to me, they're very young and they're so ambitious and they're so driven, and it's so exciting to see their passion and their interest. But a lot of times they quit their jobs because they want to pursue this full time, and yet they don't have capital. And sometimes if you're in that situation of you're living with your parents, or you're still in college, or you may be okay, but when you're trying to take care of a family and take care of your responsibilities to your parents or your kids or whoever, it's hard to do that. But you have to build capital. And while you are building capital, you do need to have some alternative source of income so that you are not stressed, because sometimes some of the people that have reached out to me that quit their jobs and they decided to do the options trading or different types of trading that I don't even know what it is, but they lost all their money or almost all their money. And then they came to me and they're like, okay, I want to give you my money to manage because I need to make it back as soon as possible because I lost everything. And first of all, I don't manage people's money. But the thing that struck me was that when they were losing money, instead of taking a step back and trying to understand what was not working with either their system or the market environment, they just doubled and tripled down and took even more leverage, and then they lost everything. So I think sometimes when you are worried about how you're going to eat or how you're going to take care of your family, you might take risk that in the hope that you will make back the money you lost, but most of the time it works the other way, So I would definitely encourage people that, yes, I think it's very, very possible. I retired in my early 40s. It's very possible to quit your job and then be able to use investing to fund your lifestyle. But you have to build that over time. It doesn't happen overnight.